Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Netlify Jamstack Platform Review My Usage Experience. Netlify Jamstack Platform Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for hosting and deploying websites using the Jamstack architecture. It's primarily aimed at web developers and businesses looking for a fast, secure, and scalable hosting solution. Key features include continuous deployment, serverless functions, and a global content delivery network (CDN). Their website provides details on all their offerings. Netlify positions itself as a leader in Jamstack hosting, highlighting its ease of use and focus on developer experience. They boast pricing transparency with various plans catering to different needs, including a generous free tier. The core technology is the Jamstack architecture, promising faster loading times and improved security compared to traditional hosting methods. Availability is global. You can check their website for specific region details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Netlify. Getting started was a breeze. I connected my Git repository in minutes, and the automatic deployment process was seamless. The interface is clean and intuitive. I especially appreciated the visual dashboard showing my site's performance metrics. I used Netlify's serverless functions to create a custom API endpoint for my contact form, and the whole process was incredibly smooth. The performance has been exceptional. My site loads almost instantly regardless of location thanks to their CDN. I had a quick question about configuring custom domains, and their support responded within a day via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the built-in form handling. It saved me a lot of development time. One minor drawback was the learning curve for using their more advanced deployment settings. It took me a little while to grasp the nuances of their build processes. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Netlify. It's a powerful platform that simplifies the process of deploying and maintaining a website, even for someone like me who isn't a seasoned DevOps expert. That's my overview of Netlify Jamstack Platform Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.